Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This time on the STI. This time I'm installing another part on the Subaru. This time it's gonna go in the interior, not in the engine bay, even though I have it all cracked up, open. But it's gonna go in the interior, and it's replacing my steering wheel. I'm changing it to a different style. It's the same kind of wheel, just a different style. The one I have right now, it's leather with carbon fiber, but I'm getting Alcantara with carbon fiber, so it's gonna be half-half. So it's gonna look exactly almost the same as that one, just Alcantara, not leather. Nothing wrong with the wheel, it looks good. Just kind of want to swap to the Alcantara, and plus it was on sale, so definitely got it. Hopefully soon I get the seat so I can have a matching interior in here. But overall, let me just show you guys what the wheel looks like, and then we'll get on to installing it. Let's open her up real quick. This is the wheel by Speed. Got it on their website. Nothing too crazy, just Alcantara. Let's get rid of this box. Yep. Nothing too fancy, just a regular wheel. Ooh, nothing like getting brand new parts to replace old parts. I love the feel of this. Definitely gonna feel better. Sheesh. Got some good 9-3 grip right here. Flat bottom. It's pretty much the same as the wheel I have on it right now. So yeah, let me just take that one off and put this one on. All right guys, well, let's get this install going. This is an easy install, not too hard. Just remember to disconnect your battery, and then now you just gotta find these tabs and push on them to release the wheel. Last time I did this was simple and easy, so this should be about the same. Let me just find these tabs. There's one, 2, and then one more. Okay. All right, so now you just want to grab a flathead or something to pull these tabs up. Whoops. One there. And you should be able to just pull them off. You gotta remove this one too, and then I would just put this, I would put it somewhere safe. All right, so I would use a pick tool like this one, because the flathead definitely didn't work for me as good as I wanted to, but with the tool pick, you'll be able to get in there and just release it, just boom. You should be able to do it on all sides. So this one you push down on it, and these two, you just kind of finagle them this way. So let me just get this steering wheel back straight real quick. So go ahead and unplug your steering wheel from the clock spring thing, and you're gonna want to get a 17mm nut socket to release this nut. All right, so now that you have your 17mm socket, kind of break this free. Since I already broke it before, it's pretty simple, but you don't want to take it off all the way, because you do want to yank on the steering wheel to release it from the thing. It should be easy because okay, what the freak. All right, definitely was easier than before. So yeah, just be careful, make sure you feed the cables through, because you don't want to pull the clock spring out. So just keep that in there. Let's go ahead and swap everything to the new one. All right, here's the side-by-side of both wheels. Looks really good. So yeah. Then we just swap all this stuff into the new one. So first you want to take off a couple Phillips screws. There's one here. Take off clip holding this in. Okay. Now you should be able to clip this. Okay, well, you do have to take off this harness thing. Unplug this really quick. All right, and then back here, just 3 more Phillip heads to remove the controls. You got 1, well 2, and then if you want to remove the bottom piece, 1. You do have to push pretty hard on these to get them off. There we go. There's 2. And we gotta take this one off, obviously. It's going on the new one. All right, so now you just reverse the process. Screw everything back on. So first I put the bottom nice and tight. All right, and then you just wanna put these on. Feed them in. They should have little grooves in there. I already did the other side. Pretty easy. And then this is gonna be for your airbag, and then this one's gonna go over kind of right here, and then click. All right, and now you just put everything on. And now you can reattach this using the screws. Let's go ahead and screw everything back on. Nice and snug. Then you can put this back piece back on. Then you can reattach the screw that you took off in the beginning. So basically 4 screws. That's all it is. That's all it takes. And 1 nut. You can position this back in there, kind of feed them through again to those pockets. Oh crap. But you don't want to forget these lock spring things. Damn. Don't do what I do. Remember to put everything back. All right, so now I gotta take this off again. So. All right, so we're gonna put these back in there. Feed them through. Whoops. That one's in. So don't forget about these clip things, or else your airbag is not gonna go on. There we go. Okay, now we can put this plastic piece back on. Okay, now we can. Good thing I caught that before I put it on the wheel. Well, I mean, before I put the wheel back on the car, because that would have been annoying. And then don't forget to put your clip back in there. And then let's rescrew this screw in again. Sheesh. If only this wheel fit the 22WX, and I will be able to put this carbon fiber leather one in the WX. But for now, I guess I'll just sell it off to somebody interested. So yeah, let me go put this back in the car now. Let's go ahead and re-put our new steering wheel into this new. Make sure you feed your airbag sensor things in, but don't pull on the clock spring. Everybody says never pull on the clock spring, so now you just want to reposition the wheel and go ahead and connect that back in there. And get your nut, tighten that sucker back on. need to check what I'm gonna torque this to, but let me just tighten it for now. So it says to torque it down to 29 foot-pounds. Not too bad. All right, now that that's torqued, let me go get my airbag. All right, now that that's torqued, you can get your airbag and reconnect everything. Don't forget the ground wire. And now just push these in, push the clip in. Again, push these in, push the clip in, and then you should be good to go. Simple install, and man, does that look good. All right, let me re-plug in the battery, make sure everything's working. Whoops. No airbag light is on. That means we install this perfectly. So let me know what you guys think. Got it to match my shift knob. I got another piece of Alcantara coming in for the car by Overland Designs, the same people that I got the shift boot and e-brake boot and the gauge cluster from. But yeah, overall this looks good. I'm still gonna wear gloves when I drive the car. Obviously I don't want to mess this, dirty this up, because I think Alcantara is really easy to get dirty and stuff, especially with your greasy hands. You definitely don't want to get your hands on here. So yeah, overall looks good. I wish somebody would make an airbag out of Alcantara. I think that would look really sick if this whole thing was Alcantara and then just the middle or this STI badge was there. But I think of the steering wheel, I think it looks really good, really nice, especially in this interior. Definitely matches my shift knob now, and it's gonna match my other Alcantara piece that I'm getting. Give it 2 thumbs up for the look. It looks great, feels good. Yeah, so another install for you guys. But that pretty much completes this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.